Welcome back to the channel, friends. We're going to be harvesting one of the first things that's started to come up, which is a kale variety, I believe, called Russian Kale. So I'm going to go ahead and put the camera on the lovely Trina. All right, dear, it's all yours.
Hey there. All right, so I forgot the date that I put this kale in the ground, transplanted it, but I started the seeds indoors in February. And then I believe I transplanted these in first week of May, maybe? I'm not sure. But anyways, look at this. This is what we call Russian kale.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, thank you. They say that when it gets as big as your hand, look at my hand, boom.
Wow.
That's how big my hand is, and this is what needs to be plucked. Now what you want to do is you want to pluck the ones that are on the outside, and you want to leave these little bitty things here so they can still grow, and then these are going to grow to be as big as my hand. Yes.
All right. Okay, so we had a mixture of the natural clay soil,
yes,
a little bit of topsoil, and then cow manure, black cow manure. And so yeah, I think all these amendments, this is our first year garden, of course, as we always say. But yeah,
ground anyway,
in the ground, yeah. So I think we're starting to have some success here with this kale.
Yes. So I did 4 Russian kale here.
Okay.
And the rest here is called kale pea. I forgot the P stands for. Sorry. But this whole row is all kale.
Okay. I'm gonna get a quick little skim over that. All right, so this is a different variety here. These are looking good too, though. These kale plants here.
Well, yeah, these are all kale. The second row here, that's all kale.
Yeah, that's a collard green variety here in the middle. And then here on the top row, there's the Russian kale. And then as we go this way, here is another species of kale. Sorry, we can't remember the name of this one. But we will look it up and put it in the video. All right, go ahead and pluck off a couple of those leaves.
All right, cool. So you, when you do, you want to you don't want to just pluck it like right here. You want to actually get it at the base and kind of snap it off. Or you can use shears. You can use shears as well.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
I'm just gonna do the first one with just kind of plucking this off. Yes, just kind of snap that off.
Nice.
Boom. All right. Oh, I didn't bring the basket out that your mom got me for my first harvest. So I'm just going to put it over to the side here.
Yeah, we're going to be taking these in like right away.
And you just kind of do the same with the next big leaf. Again, we don't touch these in the middle.
Okay.
All right. Here's another one as big as my hand. I'm going to snap that off.
Okay.
Healthy. Very nice and healthy plant. This one, does it look like the size of my hand? I think so.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm going to snap this, but again, you can use shears as well, because I'm now allowing these to grow. Now, I'm not sure what to do with these little bitty suckers, but this is also as big as my hand here.
Probably just let them keep growing as little ones.
Yeah. Snap it. So I'm doing the same on this one. Be nice and gentle with it. Snap it on off.
Nice.
Yes. Wow, that could be a whole salad for you, dear.
Looks like there's not much plant left now,
Oh,
but,
no, but don't
it's going to
worry.
grow back, isn't it?
It is going to grow on back. Look at that.
Okay.
That's correct.
Okay, so that's what's left of the plant.
Yeah, look
Still
at that.
looking healthy, and these will all grow.
Correct. Oh, honey, it feels
Those look
so hearty.
tasty.
It is.
Are
I'm
they-
pretty sure I haven't tasted
Are
it
they
yet.
pretty thick? I mean, they're pretty.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, they're pretty solid leaves.
Solid. Okay. And anyways, we have more of this Russian kale that we're gonna also do, but it looks like they got a little bit more time to be marinating.
So, yeah, so we're gonna let these. You're gonna let these kind of ride a little bit longer.
Yes. That
Okay,
is correct.
before you take any leaves off.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
fantastic.
So that's all we're gonna grab for now, but at least we have enough here to make you a salad, dear.
Nice.
All right. Well, anyways, that was Russian kale. So next time we'll do a little bit more. We'll go ahead and do some of the kale pea. Starts with the P at the end. Sorry, we'll get that on there. And also, oh, I didn't share this part. If you want to put this in there, these are sunflowers.
Why did you put those there, or why did we put those there? I forget.
We put these here for shade.
Oh, okay.
To help shade these, but I'm sorry, to help shade the kale, and a little bit longer to mature. So by the time these mature up high,
Yeah.
these are all be plucked in our bellies.
Got it. Those probably need to be grown earlier on as seedlings in the house.
Yes, correct. So that way it'll be a lot taller and kind of grow with the kale. So.
Got it. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah. So
Well, thank you,
anyway.
Miss Trina.
Well, thank you.
All right, as they say, farm to table, or really garden to table. I got my salad dressing over here, but I don't want to use it until I taste the actual kale by itself. So this is the Russian kale.
Mm-hmm.
This is really good.
Good.
That's some good flavor. Yep. All right, I'm happy. Good
Good.
job. We're gonna do some more kale videos later.
Yes.
As the kale premiere comes up for us, we'll do another one. So,
Yes.
okay.
And we'll be seeing you next time. Bye.